Do do do. Back again. Racer? We could. Why is she in her?
Look at this dude.
I don't want to play that. Deku sucks. Don't play him. We're gonna play Ganondorf, I think. I'm not playing the furry. I'm not gonna read all that. We're just gonna go into it. Artifacts. We're gonna do one artifact agree. All shrines active. I'll do that. I'm gonna do this. This seems kind of fun. And artifact of haste. This may or may not make it where I can't play the game. We'll see. This Ganondorf looks pretty good. What the fuck is that? Did I... Okay, I can't. Oh yeah, I can't. Okay. Yep, can't do this mod. I can't do this artifact. How about this fucking base guy? Ooh. Oh. I've not played a non-modded character yet. What is wrong with me? Huh. Black hole's danger level 2? What does that mean? What? Yep, gotta get rid of that. See if the base guy can actually survive or not. Oh yeah, have an actual...
We need to build a wall.
What?
It has to be built quickly. We need to build a wall.
Who's saying
It
that?
has to be built quickly.
Google. I'm already dead. I don't understand it. The what? Why did I almost die already? Sin the pink god concentration assumption. What the fuck does that mean? Heal me, please.
We need to build a wall.
What is that? What is going on? Let's try her, because I know she's pretty good. Ay. This is my favorite character to play non-modded, so it's not too bad to play a match. I don't really understand what's going on, but I'll take it. What's that? What did I pick up? Wait, how did I have items already? Oh, what is going on? Dude, this is kind of cool. I can just fly. What is this? What the fuck are you? Oh, you can't. I didn't realize there was actually music for this. Oh no, can we not have this on this whole time? What is this? Nope. I don't know what that is. I need to download some more different mods. Get rid of the funny mod pack shit. You know, I'm gonna do the regular stuff and not actually try to do this voice stuff with this character. That probably would be better. Yeah, this guy. What is going on? What just happened? I haven't hit nobody. I just moved. So if I move, missiles come out. Okay. I'm dying. I think my game crashed.